Hi everyone, I'm Welder Crystal. Today, I'm going to weld this stainless steel component by this XD80 welding torch. Align the tungsten needle position and add the argon gas into the pipeline. Well, as we all know, we only need to input pipe diameter of 25.4 mm and wasting clearance of 1.6 mm, and then do the same as before. After starting the torch, we don't need to do more operations. Next, we only need to wait a few times. Now we can see the welding effect. Look at the surface texture.